Let's read something from the book about Kevin and the roses.
Ah.
You know,
Kevin and I were in high school together. And this portion of the book talks about when he had gotten to ask me out on a date, okay?
Is 158, is it?
It is, no, 105.
105.
Well, maybe I shouldn't talk about that. I'll talk about it, and then I'll read a second section.
Do you want to read about the wedding instead?
No, this is okay.
Okay.
But I'll read one passage and then jump around. It had been established that Sonia Sotomayor was not much to look at, as I had a pudgy nose. I was gawky and ungrateful. I barreled down the halls of Cardinal Spellman, my high school, head first, unlike those who knew how to amble with a sexy sachet. I still can't do that the way you do it.
I'm saying we're so much alike.
My own mother told me that I had terrible taste in clothes. I did get asked out occasionally, but mostly I felt like everybody's second choice, which is why a compliment could catch me off guard, especially an unconventional one. And that's what Kevin told me. Another one of those backhanded compliments that Scully's dad had said that I was built, close the ears of any child in the audience, like a brick house.
Horrible.
On our first date, we took the train down to Manhattan. We walked the entire city, walked for hours, talking as he showed me his favorite spots. From the first date, we were inseparable. For the first month that I knew Kevin, he brought me a rose every single day. One time after school, I was walking him to the stop where he caught the bus home to Yonkers. We passed by Titi Gloria's house. Titi is aunt in Spanish. And I dragged Kevin in to meet her and Tío Toño. Really, I just wanted to postpone our parting. But as soon as we got there, Kevin turned pale and clammed up. I thought maybe he was put off because Titi Gloria and Tío Toño kept switching to Spanish, even though they were making quite an effort, welcoming us with cake and cookies and sodas. But Kevin remained stony, and I was more than a little upset by this. The next day when I got to school, there was no rose. I was getting seriously worried that things were over between us. But finally, Kevin confessed. He had been stealing my daily roses from Tío Toño's garden.